My name is Munir Nazal. I'm Professor of Surgery at the University of Toledo in Toledo, Ohio. It's a pleasure to be among friends in Egypt in the 9th International Mansoura Endovascular Annual Conference. During this conference, I'll be talking about two subjects. The first one is a workshop on pulmonary embolism and the use of endovascular treatment in cases of pulmonary embolism that need that treatment. The other topic will be something of interest generally, which is the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and innovation in the field of medicine. It is something that's going to be the future of medicine with the advent of electronic medical records and huge data. Again, it's a pleasure to be in Egypt and to be with learners as well as educators.